Hello and welcome. In this video of Tableau Advanced Workshop, I will tell you about dashboard best practices. Now, who should watch this video? Any beginner to intermediate Tableau users can watch this, and anyone who works with data regardless of any sort of technical or analytical background can watch this video. The only prerequisites are basic knowledge of SQL, data warehouse concepts, and some basic statistical concepts. Now, what is data visualization? Data visualization is the graphical presentation of information with the goal of providing the viewer with a qualitative understanding and communicate information clearly. There are some elements of visualization that we need to look into. The first is data. Without data, nothing can be proved or disproved because action needs data. The second one is view. The best way to analyze data and trust it is to visualize it because seeing is believing. The third one is discovery of patterns. Visually discoverable trends, outliers, clusters, etc. which form the basis of the story and follow-up actions. Then comes the story. The story that is based on the data is the trigger for the actions because story shows the value. The last is actions. Start with drill down to a needle in a haystack, embed data visualization into business. It is not an eye candy but a practical way to improve the business. Now, dashboard is an easy to read, often single page real-time user interface visual display of the most information needed, showing a graphical presentation of the current status and historical trends to enable instantaneous and informed decisions to be made at a glance. What is Tableau? Tableau is a business intelligence software that allows anyone to easily connect to data, then visualize and create interactive, shareable dashboards. It is easy enough that any Excel user can learn it, but powerful enough to satisfy even the most complex analytical problems. There are various Tableau products available, like Tableau Desktop is for anyone to create, Tableau Reader is for anyone to share, Tableau Online is for individuals and organizations to share and create, and Tableau Server is just for the organizations to create and share. Now, let us talk about the Tableau Public features. Connectivity is easy with TDE, Access, Excel, and text file. The distribution is cloud-based. However, there is no automation available. Security is also none. That means your data is accessible by anyone on the internet. Pricing is free. Tableau Public has a limit of 10 million rows of data that is allowed in any single connection, and each account holder will be able to save up to 10 gigabytes of content to Tableau Public. It is best suited for journalists or people who are sharing public available data, practicing Tableau for free, or are just trying the software. Now about the Tableau Desktop personal features. Connectivity is the same, TDE, Access, Excel, and text file. Distribution is offline or Tableau Public. Automation is not available. Security is as good as your personal computer or server security is. The price is $1,000 for the first year and $200 from the second year. It is best suited to those who only need to connect flat data files and to those who need the most cost-effective version that will keep their data private. Then comes the Tableau Desktop Professional features. All the possible connections in Tableau are provided. Distribution is offline, Tableau Server, or Tableau Public. So that's all possible distribution options in Tableau. Automation is not available. Security is again as good as your personal computer's security or your server's security. Pricing is $2,000 for the first year and $400 from the second year. It is best suited to those that need to connect to data in databases and to those who need the capability to publish to Tableau Server. Now comes the Tableau Server features. The connectivity is the workbooks that have been published to Tableau Server and that you have granted access to. Distribution is Tableau Server Cloud. Automation is available on schedule or intervals. Security is as good as your hosting providers. The pricing is $1,000 for the first year and $200 from the second year, but you need a minimum of 10 licenses to have this. It is best for those that need access or want to distribute workbooks in the cloud. for those that want to automate workbook refreshes and for those who want to edit workbooks in the cloud. In Tableau, we have connection, data model, and VisQL model. The connection part has server, connection attributes, tables, and joins. The data model has defaults, comments, calculations, and so on. The VisQL model has filters, suggests aggregations, blends, roles, and table calculations. And all of this is then extracted. Here you can see we have the Tableau server architecture. Firstly, we have clients, that is a desktop or a mobile connection or a browser connection. Then we have a gateway and a load balancer. Then we have our main components, which are data server, VisQL server, and application server. Then we have the data connectors, and on top of that, we have the customer data. There are various file types available in Tableau. The TWB file contains one or more worksheets and dashboard and connection information. However, it does not contain data. The TWPX file is the zipped file of the workbook plus all the local files. A TBM file is an individual worksheet and it is a connection information. It cannot be a dashboard. The TDS file is shortcut to the data source connection, and the TDE file is a saved subset of a data source saved as a local file and included in packaged workbooks. Alright, so this is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching it. If you have any queries, you can write to us at inquiry@spanlabs.in. Thank you for watching.